The price is $500 and this year can only be used on the 5 accounts at a time. And in this video I will do deep analysis if this EA deserves this price or not. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. I'm your host Abdul and you are watching the Trading Board Lab. I am purely focused on the Dark Nova EA. The price is $500 and I am only allowed to use it on the 5 accounts at a time. If this EA deserves this price or not, we can make a decision after this video. And here you can see on my screen the price is $499, almost $500. The payment is already completed and here I'm using it on my first account, but I am only available to use it on my maximum of 5 accounts for $500, and this is for lifetime, like one-time billing cycle. Okay, to analyze it more deeply, let's move to the website Trading Board Lab. But here you got it, tradingboardlab.com, this website. If you are visiting this website for first time, it may take few seconds to load everything in your browser. So here in the backtest results, you can also check the live results. But right now I am focusing on the backtest results of the Dark Nova EA. For now, I have completed it in both backtesting and optimization process on the 3 pairs, the gold, the EURUSD and the AUDNZD. On the gold, I got very bad results, so this is not recommended to use it on the gold, but here on the AUDNZD and EURUSD I got some good results. In the previous videos I already explained you one by one all the results, but here I will focus on the combined results. I will combine all these results of the AUDNZD and EURUSD and I will see what happened in the last 3 to 4 years if I were using this EA on these 2 pairs. Here on the top you are watching the reports are sync complete, and here simply I will select these both pairs, and here you see the graph, the combined graph, the one by one graph of each pair. Here in the trade distribution you can see which pair opened more trades. On the EURUSD it opened 162 trades, but on the AUDNZD it made 1198 trades. The long vs shorts, and here are the important factors, the metrics. As always, my initial deposit is $1,000 and the total net profit I made $1,653. The combined drawdown of the both pair at a time, which is 134. So let me show you. If I move up and if I move up from here, if I select one, you can see here the AUDNZD give me $63 or 50 drawdown, and if I select EURUSD, it is increased. By combining all these results, we can get a clear idea the strength of this EA. When we do backtesting or optimization process, we can only allow to see one by one the results. We need to manually manage all the reports and results and values, but here I put all these functionalities together. We can view the single view, the combined view, and also we can select multiple results. But here you see for the Dark Nova EA, the 2 results are completed and more results will be coming soon. You can see here the total number of trades. In the combined view I got 72% of win ratio. The consecutive wins are 3 and consecutive losses are 1. You see here when I simply use this one, the consecutive wins are 26 and here the losses are 1, and I got shocked that wow, I will use this on my live trading account. But when we combine this with some other, the consecutive wins are combined with like 3 and average consecutive losses are 1. The overall profit factor is 2. The recovery factor is 12, which is amazing. And here are the graph. Here are the other values. And again, you can see all the results month by month. In the last video, if you see, we were focusing on the results one by one. I am moving it up. For AUDUNZD, all months are in profit, and in September 2025, it made a loss of $38. But if I combine with it, it is $25. And for the EURUSD only, it made a loss in the May, and in the October there was no trade. But when I combine these two, I turn these missing months in profit. So it's an amazing amazing. We can get a very much clear idea by combining multiple results. And also here on the live results, I am using these two results on my live trading account here, the Dark Nova. And I started this account just 1 or 2 days ago, and right now the total return is 0.1%. And you can see this is the live result on my account, and also you can do the deep live analysis. For deep analysis, I am using FX Flow, and here you can see the total deposit is 1000 and how it start all other performances of this account live. These results are verified. Simply again you go back and you can also deeply analyze all other areas. Let's move back to the back test. So in the first load, it was taking much time, but now it simply load immediately. For now, that's it, and see you soon in next videos with more results, and goodbye.